It is a split verdict in the trial of two men accused in the death of Bowling Green student stone-foltz. Jacob Krinn and Troy Henricksen were found not guilty of charges of involuntary manslaughter, reckless homicide, and tampering with evidence. But they were found guilty of less serious charges like hazing. 10 TV's Olivia Eugenio had the chance to speak with the Foltz family attorney. And Olivia, what did he have to say?
Yeah, Yolanda, we talked to a lot of families after going through court proceedings who did not get to see those accused get the maximum charges or penalties, and they are upset or angry. The Foltz family is not one of those families. Today, they saw the two young men get charged with hazing and other lesser charges. The family's attorney says they're just happy to see the truth that there was hazing come out.
Not guilty of the offense of involuntary manslaughter.
After 2 weeks of testimony that included some difficult videos of Foltz, verdicts have been reached.
There are no winners in this scenario.
Rex Elliott is the Foltz family's attorney. He says the family is satisfied with the jury's decision.
I think they were hoping for the truth to come out and for justice to be done, whatever that looked like.
We also heard from the attorney for Troy Henricksen after the verdicts were passed down. Eric Long says they were also pleased with the decision.
He's grateful that the jury made those decisions to find him not guilty of each and every felony count. He is, I think, frustrated by the fact that this was the process that he had to go through. It's been 14 months that his life is put on hold. And I don't say that in comparison to the loss.
Guilty of the offense of hazing.
Both of the fraternity brothers were found guilty of hazing charges as misdemeanors. But moving forward, because Collins law was passed last summer, hazing will now be a felony charge.
If the Ohio legislature had passed Collins law when it should have, after Colin Wyatt passed away, instead of letting it die on the vine, stone-foltz would likely be alive today because Collins law makes hazing a felony.
6 other men pled guilty to charges earlier this year. The Foltz family attorney says their next step is filing a lawsuit against the university, which they say will happen in the next 2 weeks. Sentencing of the 2 men in court will be back in July. Back to you.